How can I remove someone from a group text on iPhone and Android?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to remove someone from a group text on both iPhone and Android devices. There can be various reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe the conversation is no longer relevant to them, or perhaps you added someone by mistake. Whatever the case, it's good to know how to manage your group texts effectively.
How to remove someone from a group text on an iPhone?
Removing someone from a group text on an iPhone is relatively straightforward. Here are the steps. Step 1. Open the Messages app and navigate to the group text you want to manage. Step 2. Tap on the group text, then tap on the top of the conversation where the names of the participants are displayed. Step 3. Tap on the Info button, I. Step 4. You will now see a list of all the participants. Swipe left on the name of the person you wish to remove and tap on the red Remove button. Please note that you can only remove someone from a group text if all members are using iMessage, Apple's messaging system, and the group consists of at least 3 people.
How to remove someone from a group text on an Android?
On Android, the process can be a bit different and depends on the texting app you are using. Some apps may not support this feature. However, most updated versions of popular messaging apps like Google's Messages support removing people from group texts. Here are the steps for Google's Messages. Step 1. Open the Messages app and find the group conversation. Step 2. Tap on the group conversation and then tap on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Step 3. Choose Group Details from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the participant list, find the person you want to remove. Tap on their name and select Remove from Group. Remember, all group participants must be using RCS, Rich Communication Services, the protocol which allows advanced messaging features in Google's Messages for these steps to work. And that's it. Now you know how to remove someone from a group text on both iPhone and Android. Remember, these features depend on everyone in the group using the same messaging systems, iMessage for iPhone and RCS for Android. Hopefully, this video has been helpful. Keep texting and keep managing those group chats effectively.